So what we're going to do today is we're going to take you through how to start your Zixi stream after the connection setup portion's already been done on your camera. That should be done by either your news operations manager or your director of technology. So on your camera, first thing you're going to do after everything's already been preset, you're going to hit on your menu button. That's going to take you to your main menu. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to System. You can either hit the up arrow to go straight down to it. Once you go there, you're going to scroll all the way down again. Under the Network tab, you're going to click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're going to go to Connection Setup. This is also the same menu that your DOT or your Operations Manager will set up initially in order to tie your Zixi server to your camera. But in order to connect to your Wi-Fi, you're going to click on Connection Setup, click on Wizard. It's going to make sure you have an adapter plugged into your camera, which for most people is going to be the Buffalo network adapter that you plug in here via USB. Some folks may have the Hawkins adapter that actually sticks out of the back. Once it finds your adapter, you're going to select Wireless LAN. You're going to connect with an access point. Then you're going to search for an access point. And now it's going to search for whatever Wi-Fi device or internet connection is available in the area. And as you can see, there are several options here. We're going to scroll all the way down to WMC News MiFi 3, which is what we have is just a MiFi locally that we've got that's already been turned on. It's connected, it's ready to go. So we're going to select WMC News MiFi 3. You're going to input your passphrase, which you can use the touchpad for that. I've already put that in. The great thing about that is once you set it, it's always set. So if you use the same passphrase for all of your MiFi devices, it'll be easy. Then you can hit Next, DHCP, it's going to connect. Depending on network bandwidth, it could take 30 seconds to a minute to set up. All right, now we're successfully connected to our MiFi. Click Next. There's no need to set up proxy. Then hit your center button, Finish, and you're connected, and it'll take you back to the connection setup on the front end. You can then hit Menu on your camera to get out of the menu. And now all you have to do, as long as your DOT or your Operations Manager has set up the live stream as a shortcut as one of your user function buttons. So in this case, we've got User 3 set up as our user button to start the stream for Zixi. So I'm going to press that. On the viewfinder, you're going to get a flashing red live, and then it's going to go permanent red. And if you look up on the screen, you can get on the Zixi Matrix page, you can get a readout of what bandwidth you're pulling, and this is the actual video that's streaming. Now, obviously, since it's a browser, it's not going to be straight stream, but as long as you've got your router or your production board set up, you'll have a pretty clean feed coming out. And that's it.